For homeowners in Redmond, indoor comfort is a year-round priority. With the Pacific Northwest mix of damp winters and mild, breezy summers, proper ventilation plays a key role in keeping your home healthy and comfortable. One of the best ways to achieve this balance is by installing casement windows. Known for their side-hinged design that swings outward, casement windows provide superior airflow, energy efficiency, and ease of use. Let's explore how these windows can improve both ventilation and overall comfort in Redmond residences. Maximum airflow with a simple design. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, which only open halfway, casement windows open fully outward. This design allows you to take advantage of the entire window opening, creating greater airflow into your home. For Redmond residents, this is especially valuable during the spring and summer months, when mild breezes can naturally cool your home. By capturing and directing outside air indoors, casement windows reduce the need for constant air conditioning, helping you stay comfortable while lowering energy costs. Better control of ventilation. Casement windows are unique because of their ability to scoop air. When opened at an angle, they catch side breezes and funnel them directly into your living space. This feature gives you better control over how air moves through your home compared to traditional window styles. For example, if your Redmond home has shaded areas that tend to feel damp, strategically opening casement windows can promote airflow and help reduce excess humidity. The ability to fine-tune ventilation makes it easier to maintain consistent comfort throughout the day. Improved indoor comfort. Year-round ventilation isn't just about fresh air, it's also about keeping your indoor environment balanced. Casement windows allow stale air, odors, and moisture to exit your home while bringing in clean air. This helps reduce stuffiness and creates a fresher atmosphere in every room. In the cooler months, when Redmond experiences damp and rainy weather, casement windows with modern seals and insulated glass prevent drafts while still offering the flexibility to open slightly for fresh air without sacrificing warmth. The result is a healthier, more comfortable home all year long. Enhanced energy efficiency. While ventilation is a major benefit, casement windows also contribute to energy efficiency. Their design allows the sash to press tightly against the frame when closed, creating a strong seal that prevents air leaks. For Redmond homeowners, this means reduced energy loss during chilly winters and hot summer days. Pairing casement windows with energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings or double panes filled with argon gas, further improves insulation and lowers utility bills, all while enhancing indoor comfort. Easy operation. For every room. Casement windows open with a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to use in any part of the home. Whether placed above a kitchen counter, in a bathroom, or in hard-to-reach spots, these windows are designed for convenience. Because they open fully, casement windows also provide excellent emergency egress, making them a practical choice for bedrooms while still offering the ventilation benefits that improve overall comfort. Adding style and value beyond function, casement windows bring a sleek, modern look that complements both traditional and contemporary Redmond homes. Their clean lines and unobstructed glass provide expansive views of the outdoors while brightening interior spaces with natural light. This combination of beauty, comfort, and performance adds long-term value to your property. Homebuyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient, stylish windows, making casement windows a smart investment. Conclusion: fresh air and lasting comfort. For Redmond homeowners, casement windows offer a perfect blend of ventilation, comfort, and energy efficiency. Their full opening design brings in refreshing breezes, reduces stuffiness, and enhances indoor air quality, while their tight seals and modern glass options keep energy costs in check. Whether you're upgrading outdated windows or designing a new space, casement windows are a smart choice for creating a healthier, more comfortable home environment. With their ability to balance fresh air and energy savings, they're an upgrade that pays off in both day-to-day living and long-term value.